It is important to perform preventive maintenance before trouble occurs, and to find and replace parts that are likely to break. However, when it comes to preventive maintenance, don't you think it's difficult to introduce expensive latest equipment such as sensors, AI, and IoT equipment? The preventive maintenance proposed by MSD can be easily performed by anyone with a test bar, Checkmate for spindle inspection. The majority of machining center failures are due to age, deterioration of driving parts such as motors, bearings, XYZ axis guides, and ball screws. It is difficult to inspect the condition of all these drive parts, because specialized knowledge, tool and skill are required. Under this circumstance, the easiest method to introduce preventive maintenance is to measure the runout accuracy of the machine spindle and use it as an index. The spindle is the unit that is the most overused parts, so if the runout of the spindle becomes large, it is a sign that the various parts that make up it are worn out and deteriorated. Spindle inspection test bar, Checkmate doesn't require special skills to check spindle runout. You can check spindle runout in just 5 minutes. We introduce you a method of preventive maintenance using the Checkmate. Anyone can easily perform preventive maintenance by checking the runout of the machine spindle with the Checkmate and recording it. 3 benefits using the Checkmate for preventive maintenance. Low initial cost. Preventive maintenance can be started with a single test bar without expensive sensors and other devices. You can figure out a machine condition. By measuring and recording the runout accuracy, you can see that the accuracy deteriorates due to the operating time. And when the runout accuracy exceeds the safety zone, you will ask the manufacturer for inspection and replace parts if necessary. Reducing repair losses. Before preventive maintenance was introduced, if a sudden breakdown happened during operation, the machine would stop waiting for delivery of parts or during the repair period. On the other hand, if preventive maintenance is introduced, it is possible to request inspection for the manufacturer and order parts before the machine breaks down by periodically measuring the runout of the spindle, which can significantly reduce the downtime. Please consider performing preventive maintenance using a test bar, Checkmate for spindle inspection, so that you think that preventive maintenance should have been done after all.